How to use AI for market research and identify profitable business opportunities. Welcome to our quick tutorial about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence for market research and identifying lucrative business opportunities. Are you interested in market research and the role AI plays in it? You're at the right place. AI is a powerful tool for understanding the market and predicting trends. Let's start by talking about AI. Artificial intelligence is a technology that can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. It's like having a superhuman analyst on your team. Now, let's dig into how AI is used for market research. AI can scan through social media, blogs, forums, and reviews to gather data on consumer sentiment about a particular product or service. This data, when processed and analyzed, provides valuable insights into customer preferences, trends, and potential gaps in the market waiting to be seized. From these insights, businesses can tailor their products, services, or even form entirely new business strategies, giving them a competitive edge in their industry. So, whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, leveraging AI in your market research can be your game changer, propelling you towards unprecedented success. Ready to tap into the future of market intelligence? Embrace AI and unlock your business's full potential, making data-driven decisions that lead to profitable growth.